This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by kaybalexander. Discover the rare beauty of this breathtaking 28-acre plus tract of rolling pastureland, framed by sweeping mountain vistas and ideal for livestock, farming, or building your dream homestead. This fully fenced property features fertile hay fields, open pastures, and a tranquil pond nestled in the gentle landscape. There are multiple potential building sites that capture the panoramic views of the surrounding hills. Whether you're seeking serenity, a working farm, or private retreat, this piece of countryside offers endless potential. For more information, review the details below or contact kaybalexander at 479-264-7778.